One of our neighbours had their windows fitted by Droylsden Glass, and because of their experience and the quality of the work, we actually went with Droylsden Glass. I couldn't overemphasise how good Mel was. The young lady who came to do the original design clearly knew what she was talking about. She talked us through the whole process. We understood what was going on. We had a lot of confidence that she knew what she was doing and that we were given the right kind of advice. So based on my experience, I would have no hesitation in recommending Droylsden Glass or using them again should the need arise.